Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you guys how to create your own personal brand kit within your new KW Canva account. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you go to canva.kw.com and you log in there using your KW command username and password. Okay, so I'm going to let my screen refresh here. Once you're logged in, you will see a screen that is similar to mine. It should say at the top that you are in your KW Canva account. From there, if we navigate over to our left-hand menu and we click Brand, you'll be able to find your brand templates as well as all of your brand kits. You have the KWRI brand kit, luxury, and commercial. Now from there, if you go ahead and create a personal brand kit, and you can name that, so we'll just do SLM and create. From there, I can go ahead and start adding my logos, my colors, all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add. I'm going to upload and I'm going to grab a couple of the SLM logos. We'll grab this one here and this one. And we're going to add those logos here, okay? So now we have two SLM logos. We can then come in and grab our colors. As you can see, it's kind of pulling those. Then we go into our fonts. We can find specific fonts. If we want to do a brand voice, we can do photos. This is a great place to upload your headshot. Under logos, of course, great place for your personal logo, as well as any Market Center logos you have. And then, of course, you also have the option for other graphics, icons, charts. So great place to just come and really build your brand to utilize in here, okay? So we've got our color palettes. We can, of course, change these. Let's say we wanted to do something different. Let's just add that color. Let's just add all these funky colors. So again, great place to come and add your colors. You can add your theme down here. So yeah, great new addition. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our team. We're happy to help. You can reach out to us via email at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We hope this helps. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.